Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what are the stages involved in job hunting process. So now that you're in your third year or your final year, is it too early for you to plan for this? I don't think so, because the process actually involves a lot of self-discovery, a lot of research of the industry, and so many things. So you can actually start when you are in your third year or your final year. So the most important thing is for you to discover yourself. A lot of people are not aware of their talents, their strengths, and their weaknesses. So they end up applying for the wrong job. Okay? Or sometimes they apply for the job, but at the end of the day, right, they are not happy with the job. And what will happen is they will keep on job hopping. So we don't want that to happen. Alright, so let's get back to the stages. Okay, first level, you understand yourself. What you can do is, well, you can actually sit for a personality test that will actually be able to tell you what kind of person are you. Are you more into design works? Are you good at planning? Or do you actually do you have a lot of people skills that will help you when you meet new people? So these are the things that you have to have it in mind. Okay. So next thing is you also have to understand the job market demands. All right. So maybe in certain period of time, right, IT is a very an industry which is on demand. Okay, so you have to look at the industry that you are planning to work at. What is the trend? Okay, what is on demand at the moment, and will the trend continue or will the trend change in future? So it's also good for you to understand a bit of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Okay, so you will be able to predict what are the jobs available in the future for you. Okay, and you also, what you can do is you can do a bit of research with perhaps your family members or your friends or your seniors. What are the jobs that they are doing now? Okay, by having this overview, you can actually see where you can fit in the industry. This is a very important thing. So you can know what are the options available for you. Many people are not aware of this. They will just simply, go to JobStreet and then look at the vacancies and simply apply. So you have to know what are the available jobs for you in the industry. Okay, next is more to hands-on thing, which is for you to prepare a very effective resume. So when you are doing courses, English courses, right, that require you to prepare your own resume, I would say it would be very clever of you to really put your effort in preparing the real resume. Because why? You have the chance to check it with your lecturer in terms of the grammar, the phrases used. So make it a serious task for you. Okay, when you do it in your English class. Okay, next is for you to perform effectively during the job interview. So during the job interview, right, interviewers will not only look at your answers, but they will also observe your non-verbal communication, the way you speak, right, the way you carry yourself in the interview.